There's two of them.
We need to go that way. I'm not kidding. We don't know if this thing can change directions. We're not experts. It's crossing the interstate right where we were. Oh my God. You can see.
Yeah. It's done it, it's down, look at that! Oh, there's very big ones coming down.
Incredible, look at that.
I know.
Well, it's not that big. It's only reported up to 1.5 inches.
That's enough to. That's enough to.
Yeah.
Oh, can you just do like a rough lead to the camera? What's the hail? It's massive. Is it in the field?
Wow, look at it now. Look at it.
Do you think we ought to leave a little bit?
Where are we going to get? It's going to cross the road. We can't go anywhere.
Oh, there's cars in there. Get out. They're stopped as well.
What?
Whoa.
That's massive. Oh God. Oh. Just creep forward. Wow.
You just went, there's a bit of a tube up there.
I can't believe how quickly that appeared.
There. Then again, looking off to the north toward the Rockford Airport. And now most recently, this is the picture to the southwest of Rochelle. This is the storm that's producing the tornado. A report from law enforcement. Large tornado on the ground northwest of I-39 and I-88. So that's right by Rochelle. We'll be crossing I-39 shortly. That means that we'll be heading toward Creston. It will be a very close call for the city of DeKalb. I think it'll pass just to the north.
Damn it, people need to be underground on this tornado.
On the 20th of May 2013, a massive mile-wide tornado plowed across Oklahoma, USA.
Oh my God!
Storm chasers tracked the deadly storm as it...
Did they get out in time? Did they survive? Going all over the place, got stationary.
Spin, and it's getting faster and faster. That is a tornado.
It looked like it's coming right at me. And I'm saying, I don't need to be under these power lines right now. So I went across the page at how big it had gotten. And then as it twirls and
storm chasers from all over Oklahoma.
Chance Cold Iron, you're live on the phone right now. Go ahead and go.
Damon, this tornado's turned into a violent snowstorm. and this thing is mean.
Go ahead and go. What do you think?
Damn it, people need to be underground on this tornado. We have large chunks of debris.
Holy moly. All right. Holy shit.
We have to go back. We have to find out if anybody's in there.
Hit that. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I got glass in my back.
Back up, back up. Back it up. Back it up!
Can't see it.
Hurry! It's just rear end flow, Jack. Dude, you guys, we're gonna go up the road. You're okay. We just got easterlies out. Windshield wiper. Right here's good. Right there's it is backing up.
Yeah, it's going. Come right out.
It's okay now. We're alright, it's not gonna like shit. It's alright.
Landon! Landon! Call 911. Tell them there's a tornado on the ground. Holy
Man. Oh no, there's the lines. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that.
Did you get that on video? It's all on video. It's destroying that. Just destroyed that. Just destroyed that barn. Hope they're okay. We're gonna have to stop and make sure nobody's hurt.
Yep.
Got it. It just destroyed some. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
This is down the other way.
Let's say this again. Good City Hospital. It looks like it's going to be on this side.
talking now. Because that will